bring something out of your car and then you just don't know what you did with it, and then you find it. This happens to me all the time. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is LXPlore. Today what we're going to do is we're installing the KC Highlights wire hider. If you ever had this issue, if you ever install solar panels and an LED light bar or any other type of accessory on top of your roof rack, and then you have wires just kind of run down the sides and they just kind of flap when you're driving down the road, kind of annoying. I mean, this has worked for me for a couple months. I didn't want to drill into my roof. You know, I think that it was hard enough for me to actually drill a hole for the snorkel, but now we're talking about the roof. I don't want to drill through the roof. So what I've done is I've purchased the KC Highlights wire hider, which goes along the side right there where the wires, where I just showed you. It actually is a rubber conduit with adhesive tape on the backside, and it'll hide those wires on the side of your windshield for any vehicle, almost any vehicle. I'll show you what's in the box. It has instructions, super simple. Should only take about, I would say, about 5 to 10 minutes, you know, depending on the weather and depending on how much cleaning you have to do. My vehicle, we had some dew last night and rain the week before, so I'm gonna have to, I haven't washed my truck in a while, so we're just gonna clean that windshield and we'll go step by step on how to install this. So included in the KC Highlights wire hider box is, let's just empty it all out. There we go. Nothing else in the box. Is a little over 3 feet of the rubber conduit. You have 3 sets of adhesive strips, and of course an alcohol pad and instructions. So the first order of business is to make sure that you clean this properly. Don't use anything that contains ammonia. All right, step 2, after you've already cleaned it, grab that conduit, that rubber conduit, and then measure where you want it to, or how much length you need. Now you can get an X-Acto knife or a good sharp pair of scissors to cut this. When you're confident that you've cleaned the area really, really well and that you've already had the 3M adhesive placed onto the back of the conduit, just take the provided alcohol swab and apply it to the windshield or any surface. Then what you'll do is you'll take the provided adhesive tape, peel it off, and then lay it in line along the back side of the conduit. You'll see there's like a little channel back here. Just like that. Now only take off one side of the adhesive. And if you have extra, just cut off the extra with a pair of scissors. You know, the hardest part of this whole job is taking off the backing off of the adhesive. So once you get the adhesive removed, take the conduit with the adhesive attached and apply it to your windshield or whatever surface that you're going to put it on. Now, one of the final steps, I believe it's like step 4, is add pressure to the conduit to whatever surface you're going to put it on for 30 seconds. So you know that it's going to stick to it. Last step is once that adhesive has made it itself to whatever surface you apply it to, just push the wires inside. Hold on. There's 3 simple steps on how to apply this. You just have to make sure that you measure twice and cut once. That you clean the wire hider surface thoroughly with the alcohol wipe, and then whatever surface area that you're going to be applying it to, and then affix the wire holder to whatever surface you're going to put it on, whether it be the metal, glass, windshield, the side, the roof, wherever, and then apply 30 seconds of pressure. This wire hider will only accommodate up to an 8mm wire. So, I mean, it's pretty thick. I actually have like 2 10-gauge wires. Actually, I take that back. It's not 2 10-gauge wires. They're probably 2 8-gauge wires. They're in there. It's not completely wrapped all the way around, but it's definitely a lot cleaner than it was. It's not dangling around, and it is within the confines of that wire hider. So one of the main reasons why I actually used or decided to use the KC wire hider was I didn't want to drill anything into the roof. You know, you drill into the roof and then you get another leak, or you get the potential to have another leak. And you know, this way everything's ran into the engine compartment, everything is hidden down in an area that doesn't hinder your visibility. Yeah, that's why drill? Just put something that's a little adhesive off to the side, and there you have it. Hey, as always, thanks for watching the video. If you have any comments or concerns or questions, leave them down below in the description or in the comments. Well, not the description, right? Because I'm the one leaving the description. You leave the comments. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.